It seemed like the fires were everywhere, ripping through communities, closing highways and forcing thousands of people to abandon their homes.
It's a huge hit. I've been an owner for 40 years here, and it's just crazy what's gone on.
Fanned by strong desert winds, the fires forced hundreds of thousands of people living north and west of Los Angeles to flee.
We have lost structures, we have not lost lives. Do not wait. Leave your homes.
Firefighters say the fires were moving so fast they were unable to contain them, sweeping through tens of thousands of acres in a matter of hours. Authorities have warned of widespread smoke and advised people with health conditions, as well as the elderly and children, to stay indoors.
They continue to challenge us. Our fire is over 50,000 acres and still growing. We have mandatory evacuations in the areas around the entire fire.
It's been a tough year for California. In October, deadly blazes in the state's wine region killed dozens of people and destroyed thousands of buildings. And based on the latest developments, it appears to be far from over. Kerry Alexandra, TRT World.